starting with Batch Loader tool. It's a tool that we created to download files from application from QuickBase, from a single application from QuickBase. This tool has a nice UI that the client can use to configure and select which field they want to download the data. So in order to execute this tool, we click on the Setup X file, and it's going to pop up this UI. In here, in license key is the license that we provide once we give you this tool. So for this demo, we are going to show you the download documents. You have to check the license, that the license is valid. Once you check that, you see that the other fields are being enabled. The user will have to enter their realm along with their username or email and the password. Right now I'm going to enter my password, and then I'm going to click on check credentials. What it's going to do in the background is going to check that the credentials are valid, and it's going to populate the drop-down of the documents table with all the tables that are associated to this application MCF demo app. So for this demo, I'm going to use the table files. Once I selected the table that I want to download files, I'm going to select the attachment. This tool is filtering, it's only showing fields that are file attachment fields. Then the next field, it's the category field. So basically, we can tell this tool that can put the files inside a folder, and this folder is going to be created based on data that it's in this table, in the table files. So for this purpose, we are going to use related project, which is just a number. Then we have to tell, okay, which records you want to download. We can leave this open, we can leave this empty, or we can type a query that's just going to download files that are going to be downloaded. So let's check the files that we need to download. So basically, this related project is greater than 0, and the file is present. So that's the query that we are going to create. So we can use this example. We can just copy and paste this into the query field. Then in this field, we can tell, okay, you can start from record 20 or 50 or 2000. Also, we can tell the tool that once it downloads the file, it can remove the file, like delete the file. It will not delete the record, just delete the file. Then in browse, in directory section, I'm going to select in which folder we want to download the files. So for this demo, we are going to use the upload folder. So once we have all these ready, we are going to click download. Right now, what it's happening, it's downloading the files. As you can see, it's generating the files in my local computer, and each folder is a related record. So if I see in here, we have related project. We have related project number 2, we have related project number 5, etc. So once it has finished, data will be ready. Let's wait till it finished. So in the meantime, we can review, like for example, let's check related project number 2. So we have these pictures that if we go into QuickBase and we review for our related project number 2, let's group by related project. So we have, let's see. So we have this image, which is the one that we have in here. Okay, so it finished. It downloaded all the files. So we have 18 folders, and each of those folders should have files. So that is the demo for batch loader download. So the next demo, it's going to be batch loader upload. Okay, the batch loader upload uses the same tool. We are going to run the setup exit. and we are going to enter the valid key that we have created for this demo, which is test upload tool. So then we check that the licensing is valid. We have to enter the realm, the username, and the password. The credentials. Okay, so our credentials are valid. Now we have to select which table we are going to upload the documents. For this example, we are going to use the files table. So let's look for files. What we are going to use the reference. So the reference, it helps to relate files to a parent record. So let's say that I have my projects table, and underneath I have my files table. It's going to grab the file name of the files that we are going to upload, and it's going to use this value to create that relationship between projects and files. So we are going to select files, and our reference field, it's going to be related project. Our name, let's put it in notes, and our file attachment, it's attachment FID file, which is the only file attachment field that we have in there. So then in here in directories, we have to tell, okay, from which folder it should grab the files. So we are going to upload. And then once they are completed, we want to put them in the completed folder. So right now, I'm going to show you that this completed folder is empty. So I'm going to click upload, and it's already starting to upload the files. If I refresh this report, we will see that there are files that have been just created right now. You can see the date created matches with the same date of I'm in Central. This date created field, it's in Eastern. So while it's doing that, it's basically moving the files from the upload folder to the complete folder. So in that way, we know that all the files were processed and were uploaded. As you can see, keep going. It has uploaded 17 files. So yeah, once it has finished, we'll see in here 100%. So yeah, so this is the demo for batch loader upload.